Hey, I'm Steve from App Tool Tester, and welcome to our Como App Maker review. Como is one of the most popular do-it-yourself app makers out there at the moment, helping to create over 1 million apps since 2010. We're here to find out why, and also to help you figure out whether it's the best app maker for your project. One of Como's selling points is its range of loyalty features, which might be useful if you run a small business, but we'll look more at this shortly. Unlike other app making platforms, Como only offers one plan, but customers have the choice of whether they want to pay monthly, yearly, or every 2 years. It actually works quite well, as it includes most features you want from an app maker, such as unlimited push notifications, analytics, and both Android and iOS support. And if you want native iPad support, this is one of the cheapest plans you'll find. The My App section is where you'll find any previous apps you've created, and also allows you to publish them or create a new app. Once you decide to create a new app, you'll first be asked to name it. You can then choose whether or not you want to connect a Facebook page or a web page, which Como will then turn into an app. For now, choose a category of app we'd like to create, for example, a store. Once you're in the editor's dashboard, you can choose a theme that you like, as well as a navigation layout. Each theme comes with a choice of color schemes, which is a nice touch, but even if you're not happy with the choice, you can customize them all yourself. You can then choose a background image and add your app icon. Also, if you decide to change your design at any time, you can do so easily without losing data. A good thing to note here is just how many languages you can choose from for your app language. Como really do offer a lot more than most of their competitors. Now we can start adding features to our app. In order to do that, we click on one of the plus signs. If you hover over the top corner of any feature, it gives you a summary. Once it's added, you can edit the content and design below. You can also find out even more detailed information by clicking on the help icon. Often features will have extra integration available. For example, the store gives you several options for external services that you can integrate into your app. Once you choose one, you then just enter your store URL. The order of your menu is the same as your feature order, which you can easily change by dragging and dropping. One thing you need to remember to do with this app maker is to save your changes regularly by clicking up the top. The menu area on the left lets you access other areas such as promotion, analytics, and push notifications, most of which will become more useful after you publish your app. As mentioned earlier, Como have a range of loyalty features, so let's have a look at some of them now. You can create coupons by selecting a type, then entering the details. There's also the novel option of creating a scratch card for your customers, where you can define odds and choose a prize. You can then test it out on the simulator to see how it looks. Other options include loyalty cards and a frequent buyers club. The simulator is always present on the dashboard, and you can easily navigate around the menus to see how your app is shaping up. Como also have many more integration features that may be useful depending on the kind of app you want to create, from food delivery and reservations, to social media options, and even scheduling and appointment booking. You can even change the operating system to see how it will be displayed on other devices. Let's finish up by checking out the support. Como have a great range of video tutorials, not only to help get you started, but also all the way through to marketing your app after release. Como have a pretty healthy knowledge base, which is probably worth looking through before emailing support, as their response time can be a little slower than other app makers. Como is a great place to start if you want to try your hand at creating your first app. It has a clear interface and a good library of video tutorials to help get you started. With its range of loyalty and customer-facing features, it's a great option for small businesses. The apps that can be created using Como don't look terrible, but Como's own feature layout designs can sometimes look a little dated, and there aren't many themes to choose from. Como could offer a few more advanced features, such as team management, ad support, and API access. Yet for the price you pay, it's actually a pretty good deal. You can find more details on Como and other providers on apptooltester.com. We hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.